Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the redemption 2 lag problem. If you want to fix this problem, all you have to do first click here and then type graphics settings, enable this option, and then open the GeForce Experience. And after that, once you're here, you will need to find Red Dead Redemption 2, and when you find it, let's take GTA 5 as an example. Click Details, and then click this option here, Custom Settings, and now just move it to Performance, just as you like, move it just like that, and then click Apply, and after that, your problem must be fixed. And then click launch and you will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.